With the selection menu in Logos, you can select text to see key annotation and research tools right within the context of your study. In this brief video, I'll show you which features the menu contains and how to turn the selection menu on or off. By default, Logos enables the selection menu, so all you need to do is select text in a resource to open it. The selection menu is divided into three areas: the interactive section, the highlight section, and the copy verse section, which only displays when you're working in the Bible. As you explore the selection menu, you'll notice that the available options change depending on the kind of resource you have open and the amount of text you have selected. The interactive section features a variety of options, including Copy, which copies the text and its citation for pasting elsewhere. Search. In a Bible, when you select a single word, this runs a morph search on that original language lemma. When you select multiple words, this runs a Bible search for your selected text. In a non-biblical resource, this runs a basic search on your selected words. Study always opens the most appropriate guide, unless Logos can't find a fitting one on the text you selected, in which case it opens an everything search. For example, when you select a single biblical word, this command opens a Bible word study on that word. Or, when you select more than 5 words in a Bible, this opens a passage guide on the verse where the selected text occurs. Lookup. When you select a single word or short phrase, this opens the relevant dictionary or lexicon to the appropriate listing. When you select more than a few words, this runs an everything search on your selected text. Share creates a shareable slide of the selected text in the Media tool. Compare text. When the Bible is your active resource, or when you have multiple translations of a resource in your library, you'll find the Compare Text button, which opens the text comparison tool to the passage you selected. Context menu. If you can't find the command you're looking for in the selection menu, click this button to open the full context menu. In the highlighting section, you'll find the Add Note button, which adds a note to the selected text, the highlighting button, which opens the highlighting tool, and in between these buttons, the menu displays the 6 highlighting styles you've used most recently. The bottom bar in the selection menu, the Copy Verse section, only displays when you're working in the Bible. Here you'll discover several options that affect how copied text is displayed after pasting. Styled pastes the selected text in the style you used most recently with the Copy Bible Verse tool. Lines pastes your selected text, including the reference, with each verse on its own line. And Text Only pastes the text of the verse with everything else such as chapter and verse numbers stripped out. Finally, you can turn the selection menu on or off in Program Settings. To find this setting, select Tools, Utilities, Program Settings, and then scroll down to the Text Display section. Click No to deactivate the menu within your resources, or click Yes to reactivate it. As you can see, the selection menu is the quickest way to interact with any text in your Logos library.